Hey guys, let's learn English in 1 minute. Present simple, habits, facts. I play soccer every Saturday. She likes chocolate. Present continuous, action now, temporary. I am playing soccer right now. She's eating pizza. Difference. I work in a bank, permanent. I am working from home today, temporary. Repeat after me. I play, present simple. I am playing, present continuous. For more information on how to use the present simple or the present continuous, come and register at our center, link in bio.
We'll soon make a change. We all a part of God's great big family. And the truth, love is all we need.
We are the world. We are the children. We are the ones who make a brighter day. So let's start giving. There's a choice we're making. We're saving our own lives. It's true, we make a better day. Just you and me.